truth and not somebody else dictating to you how to do your thing, which you know how to do better than anybody else.
Hey everyone, it's Terry, and this is a quick little video on my much coveted and bucket list forever orchid, my Phalaenopsis Gigantea. But it is tagged as something else, but I took it upon myself just to give you a little back history if you missed the video when I acquired this plant from Norman's. It is tagged as something else, but I believe it to be a straight Gigantea. We will see when it blooms. The story is I have finally been able to water out in the greenhouse with rain, not the greenhouse, I'm not at the greenhouse, the carriage house, with rainwater because the temperatures did suddenly rise to in the 40s. So unfortunately, this and a couple other plants were left in the water overnight. And this one, and I might add, they have a little breezeway where they were, and so the temperature is a little cooler, so it has lost a leaf, unfortunately, because of the coolness. You see that one that's right by my hand? There's one on the ground. Oh, not on the ground, at the table. Sorry, I'm rattling. Anyway, it had fallen out of the pot and completely was in the water, and I gasped. So what I'm doing now, the purpose of this video is to put it back in the pot and to demonstrate how I did it. So I had placed the hanger that you can see weaved through the pot, and I created a little hook in which to secure the plant base, the root ball in, secure it. And also the placement of it is crucial because of the spike that is there, which needs to be preserved. And also because the crown. Now, I did just notice that there might have been a little bit of crown rot. I do have another Gigantea down in the basement, but they were talking about this one. And there is a piece of tree fern, Osmunda, that it is propped up that I am pointing to. And, well, it's in the back part of the plant. And I'm filling in where the plant is situated in the front part so as to allow for the water, rain that is coming from above to cascade down off the leaves. That is really the purpose of those leaves, is to provide a ramp for the moisture to go down. So I have tucked it in with big pieces of Orchiata, and I showed you the bag, and I am just tucking the roots in, the root ball in more secure, and propping the plant up in the front so that when it waters, the base of the plant is even more protected from moisture, as well as the spike from the side. And I'm also draping this Spanish moss over it also because Gigantea, unlike most Phalaenopsis, they really like a higher light and year-round water. They don't want to ever dry out. And the water with all Phalaenopsis, if you don't know, has to be room temperature or slightly warmish, like bath water or shower water. Anywho, I am just tucking the plant in, and I got the tag, which is tagged as that. I just don't think it's Barbara Taylor. I've had Barbara Taylor. This looks more like straight Gigantea. But in any event, I'm going to give it a good water, and then that will be it.
that is striving for truth and not somebody else dictating to you how to do your thing, which you know how to do better than anybody else.